Let's draw this cool serpentine curve that looks topographical. My inspiration for this Zentangle was Taxi by, I guess you'll have to learn to pronounce it. I have not yet. So I'm giving credit where credit is due. And all right, I'm gonna go for kind of these 3 humps here and draw a somewhat diagonal squiggly line. But first, let's do about a 1/4 inch border. Okay. Start here, kind of come out. All right. And then mimic that shape on the other side. And at the hump, we'll start there and draw a diagonal. All right. Now we're going to continue tracing this curve, kind of going parallel to this and just curving a little bit at the curve. Okay. So fast. So let's put a little effort into shading, why don't we? I'm wondering if I want to darken this line a little bit. No, I'm not going to bother because the shading will enhance that. Okay, with some graphite, I'm going to imagine there is a shadow here. And then trace along the outskirts here. Make it pop off the page. Nice way to wind down and become one mindfully with your drawing. To have self-compassion. All right, let's see how that looks. blend a little. Smooth out that graphite, carry it over. Back in and darken some spots. I'm going to carry this over into the first line. And just a little touch up here. Just a little duster. Yeah. What is more fun than that? Well, I hope you have fun with this design, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.